South Korea is a land where stunning landscapes meet vibrant cities. From the crystal-clear beaches of Busan, where the waves kiss the golden sands, to the majestic Seoraksan Mountains, standing tall with breathtaking beauty. The magical Jeju Island enchants visitors with its lush waterfalls, volcanic rocks, and peaceful beaches. Meanwhile in Seoul, modern skyscrapers rise beside ancient palaces, creating a perfect harmony between the past and the future. Every corner of Korea tells a story of nature's wonder and human creativity. Welcome to South Korea, a land where breathtaking nature blends seamlessly with vibrant city life. Let's start our journey in Busan, the beautiful coastal city known for its crystal-clear waters and golden beaches. As the waves gently kiss the shore, Busan's lively atmosphere and stunning landscapes captivate every visitor's heart. Moving north, we reach the awe-inspiring Seoraksan Mountains. These majestic peaks, often wrapped in mist, offer dramatic views, colorful forests in autumn, and snowy wonders in winter. Hiking here feels like stepping into a painting where nature's beauty unfolds with every step. Far to the south lies Jeju Island, a true gem of Korea, known for its waterfalls cascading into rocky pools, volcanic landscapes shaped by ancient eruptions, and peaceful black sand beaches. Jeju's Halasan Mountain, Korea's tallest peak, stands proudly in the heart of the island, surrounded by lush green fields and winding stone walls. Now let's dive into the vibrant energy of Seoul, the dynamic heart of South Korea. Here, glittering skyscrapers soar high into the sky, standing proudly beside centuries-old palaces like Gyeongbokgung, where echoes of ancient dynasties still linger. Seoul is a breathtaking fusion of old and new, where tradition and innovation walk hand in hand through every bustling street. By day, the city hums with the rhythm of fashion, business, and creativity. Lively markets spill over with colorful fabrics. The aroma of sizzling street food fills the air, and the streets are alive with energy and dreams. As the sun sets, Seoul transforms into a glowing sea of neon lights. Music flows from cozy cafes and vibrant night markets. Laughter echoes through hidden alleyways, and every corner pulses with the spirit of life. In Korea, every mountain whispers ancient stories. Every street dances with modern dreams, and every smile carries the timeless soul of a nation where nature's wonders and human creativity come together in perfect harmony. explore the heart of Korean culture, its vibrant cuisine. From sizzling street food to elegant royal dishes, Korean food is a true reflection of the country's soul. Imagine walking through a busy market in Seoul, the air filled with the aroma of spicy tteokbokki, crispy haddock, and grilled skewers. Street food here isn't just a snack. It's a cultural experience, shared by friends under neon lights. At the heart of every Korean meal is kimchi, spicy, fermented, and full of flavor. It's more than a side dish. It's a symbol of heritage, patience, and family tradition. Then there's bibimbap, a colorful bowl of rice, veggies, meat, and egg brought together with gochujang. Each bite is a balance of texture and taste harmony in a bowl. And of course, Korean barbecue, where meals are cooked at the table, turning dinner into a lively shared experience. Conversations sizzle alongside the meat, as flavors and laughter fill the air. Whether it's temple food served in silence or spicy noodles eaten with friends, every dish tells a story of nature, of people, and of a culture that values balance, community, and passion. Let's savor the beauty of Korea's culinary world together. Beyond the dishes and destinations, Korea whispers its soul through quiet traditions, the flowing elegance of hanbok, the joy of family-filled festivals, and the calm of old Hanok homes nestled among modern streets, a land where every bite, every step, and every smile tells a story worth remembering.